Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Sui Wallet application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, just tap on the search box and then type in Sui Wallet and start your search. Once you find the Sui Wallet application, just tap on it and now you will either see the open or the update button. If your application is set to auto update, then you may not need to bother with updating the application. Otherwise, if you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on this in order to install the latest updates. After tapping on it, just wait for a while until the update process is completed, and once you see the open button once again, you can open it up and start using the latest updates of the Sui Wallet application on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the Sui Wallet application to its latest version on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.